Shall we do the next sum now? Okay, here is your next question. Which among these is the shortest object? Okay, and your options are A, eraser, B, pen, C, ruler, and D, pencil pouch. Okay, so you have to tell me which of these is the shortest object. Is it the eraser, pen, ruler, or pencil pouch? Very good, it is eraser. That is option A, right? Coming to the next question. The next question says, which among these is the lightest object? Okay, and your options are ball, option B, feather, option C, bat, and option D, tiffin box. So can you tell me the answer? Which among these is the lightest? Is it ball, feather, bat, or tiffin box? Very good. It is option B, feather. Feather is the lightest of all, right? It is so delicate that even if you just try to blow a little, it tends to fly. Yes? So, coming to the next question. 1 liter is equivalent to dash. Your answer is A, 100 milliliter, option B, 10 milliliter, option C, 500 milliliter, and option D, 1000 milliliter. So this is about the derivation which we had studied earlier. So 1 liter is equal to how much, children? Good. It is 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliter. This was the derivation which we studied, right? Yes? Coming to the next question. The next question says, how will you measure the length of the pen? Your answers are kilometer, option B, meter, option C, centimeter, and option D, none of these. So how will you measure the length of the pen? Is it kilometer, meter, centimeter, or none of these? Very good, it will be meter, right? Because it is not too small where you can measure the length of the pen in a centimeter. Centimeter means it will be too small, right? Whereas the pen is lengthier. So we will be measuring it in terms of meter. Clear? Shall we proceed? Okay. So the next question says, the object that can be measured in kg is dash. Your options are a bag of vegetable, option B, an apple, option C, pencil, and option D, ball. So can you tell me which among these is measured in kg? Kg means whose value is little heavier, right? An apple, it will not measure up to kg. It will come only in some grams. How about the pencil? We saw in the earlier question itself that this we will be measuring it in terms of meter, right? Similarly, ball. It is also not that heavy which you have to measure it in terms of kilogram. This will also come in terms of gram. So the right answer is a bag of vegetables, which is option A. So are you clear?